Wow, so kind of behind and showing what's up with my trash fountain generator project times two. No, I did not find any more. I did, though. A guy was selling one of these. This is a plastic piece used on eBay for new price. Still for sale. This is a brand new one for new price, which people want used price for. Had to buy that as well. Alright, so I asked him, hey, by any chance do you have the metal housing? He goes, yeah. Sends me a picture of a really rusted one. I was still gonna go get it. And he goes, no, I got one a little better. I got this one. And I go, it kind of looks alright, but I see like a little damage over here. Damage over here. I go, is the rusty one straighter? I know there's gonna be a little wave over here. He's like, this one's better. Sure enough, he was right. This one is pretty good. His picture made this one look worse than what it was. Get scratches on it, whatever. I had rust, like peeling rust. So I ground that all back. More peeling rust, ground it all back. Peeling rust, ground it all back. But overall, decent. I'm gonna go acid treatment, but the garage door is broken. So it's hard to get my acid. It was kind of pushed in over here too. It kind of hammered it out. It could be straight enough. Biggest issue was this corner. Has to be whacked by something. It kept on rubbing my brand new cover. You see the scratch? I finally got it. Finally got this. I ordered this on the 10th. Came today, whatever today is, 23rd, 24th tomorrow. Now it finally fits decent enough and has a little gap. Barely. But you see it's open over there. Something's weird on it. I mean, it's not a Swiss watch. It's a freaking old L-head Briggs part. But yeah, it fits okay. I could do a little more, but I'm not messing with it. I can hammer this flat and I will straighten that. I'm not going crazy. It functions. It has the choke thing. That I'll paint up just where it needs it and kind of just brush test the rest. And yeah, that's the most crucial part we needed. I got that like a couple weeks ago, the metal part, and we got this just today. We got the air filter days ago. There's a pre-filter too, but then you need another little insert, and I don't need no pre-filter. So, kind of done it without this piece, but that generator is pretty much all done. Alright, in my community tab, I may have shown changing the fuel inlet little tube that was cracked on it, the elbow. And I fixed that yesterday. I started it the other day. It ran fairly well until it ran out of fuel, and it was leaking fuel. So that's still high over here. Yeah, it's coming together. And the other one, the Coleman, I got all the parts for it, and I should have it running like tomorrow as well. And yeah, that sticker. If I had that sticker, I would paint the whole thing. Where do you get those stickers? Peel off, have it copied? I don't know. It's a cool thing. Don't really need it, but not bad. Like 30. You get charged sales tax now, so it's $37. It's like $34.99 plus tax. I kind of feather edged it as best as I could. And you're gonna see some difference, but I'm not the body man. I try to up my game every time though with a little project. But yeah, that's the deal. I needed that. This has little notches on it. 1, 2, 3. $100 for it new. Yes, $100, and it's more painted on the inside than the OEM was. That's probably why they're charging $100 for it, because people had these and they rotted out. Because that's how they were shipped, with no paint on them on the bottom. It was very, very, very scantily painted. So I'll fix that one up. It will definitely last many years to come. Yep. Awesome. And you throw on the screws too, which is cool too. But the cover, I gotta paint that one. Or just leave it, who cares? Yeah. No one else came through, but they did. Metal work is weird. I think I just fixed it. See a little wave over there? It was so much worse before. That waved on me about 4 times over there. It's getting weak. I don't want to snap it and have to weld it or something. Look at that get now. Still a little wide over there, but way better. Because I bent it. This was not square from there to there. I went bending it down and fixed everything and brought this in too. It's just a little wave, but not bad at all. It's a lot less. That was the issue. It was bent this way, kicked out in the bottom. I think we're good now. Even that kind of straightened out a little bit. Nice, nice. Alright, good enough. No more playing with it before we break it. Don't have nothing. 9 to 11 horsepower has 4 holes, and I think the smaller ones will only have 3. That's how you know you're playing a cover. $100 and something just for the metal piece. That is insane. No way, Jose. It's a cool looking airplane though. I like it. Looks nice. Hopefully it'll run tomorrow. It's not pissing out gas out of the carb, so I did the carburet. Yeah, buddy. Body work is weird. Should really oil this in over here, but I'm not messing with it. Just gotta paint it. Oh, there'll be more. I like working at night. Here it is all on. With no air filter, just do a mock-up. I can see why they ripped this thing off. Because it was so challenging to get the screws off. You need like a super long screwdriver. Even this screwdriver is not doing it. You need a longer one. I have a longer one. A lot of people don't though in their tool stash. And that was gushing fuel. That white fitting. The carburetor was plugged. Totally plugged. The fuel valve was screwed. And the fuel cap was screwed. There are a lot of things going on with it. See why they abandoned it. That looks awesome though. Oh man, it's gonna be nice when it's touched up and painted. I'm happy. Never thought I would see it. Almost a month into this thing, which is crazy too. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The crazy part is I see how the fuel pump works. We turn the fuel on and rip this thing, and the compression pumps fuel because I see fuel coming through my inlet and it's not pissing out, so that probably means my needle is fine, which I did test it. It probably just primes it, right? It throws a little bit of gas in there. You can barely see it while the brass is in there. That's really is the brass right there in the light. Just a little bit of fuel and it's not dripping out, so my needle's seating. That's awesome. I should have a successful run tomorrow. I gotta paint this though.